Hey there guys, this is Code Tutorial for you back with another Leetcode problem. This one's called Check if the Sentence is Pangram. So it says, a pangram is a sentence where every letter of the English alphabet appears at least once. Given a string sentence containing only lowercase English letters, return true if sentence is a pangram or false otherwise. So let's go look at the examples. So example 1. Here we got the string sentence. As you can see, this is the quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. So it's true. The explanation is because a sentence contains at least one of every letter of the English alphabet. In example 2, string sentence Leetcode is false because obviously it's missing a bunch of letters, and so it's not a pangram and it's false. So how can we check if it's either true or false? We're gonna have to do something where we're gonna be able to acknowledge that all 26 English alphabet letters appear at least once. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna use a map. We're gonna use a map with the key being a character because we're gonna go through the string. So we're going to put a char and the value being an integer. So we're going to put an int. We're going to name this map MP, short for map. So to go through every single element of the string sentence, we're going to do a for loop. And with this for loop, we're going to be able to map our string out. We're going to be able to put all the key values, which are the character, and see how many of those letters appear in the string. So what we're going to do is we're going to have every element's a character. So we're going to go character, and we're going to name the elements we're going to run through is I, and the name of what we're going to check is sentence, string sentence. So there we go. So what we're going to have to do is just map it out first. That's all we're going to do. We're going to map it out first. So what this means is through every element, so let's say the first character in index 0, the first element is T. So with T in here, the key of T, we're going to add 1 up. And this is going to go to the value section of the map. So if we see T again, then we're going to add that 1 up to keep the key value T. And there's going to be 2. And if there's a third one, there's going to be 3, etc. for every single, let's say H. H, once we get there to the next index of 1, in this string is going to be the character is H. So we're going to map that out and so on and so forth. So now, once we have the string all mapped out, which with all the character key values and how many times they've appeared, if they've appeared, if we have 26 letters, then the size of the map should be 26. So what we do now is we're going to check if that is true or false. And the way we're going to check is we're going to get the map that we have, that we've made, that's mapped out the whole string, and we're going to check the size of it. And we're going to check the size of it to see if it's equal to 26, because that's how many English alphabet letters there are. And then let's run this and see if it passes the test cases. And it does pass the test cases. I'm going to go to this tab, show a little bit more detail on how the code will work. Again, initialize a map to count characters. A map named MP is created to count the occurrences of each character in the sentence. The key represents characters and the values represent the counts. So then we iterate through the sentence and count occurrences. This loop iterates through each character in the sentence and increments the count in the map, MP. the map is effectively used to count the occurrences of each character. So as you can see, iterations explained for the provided sentence. We have the string that we've been working on, the quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. So what's going to happen is, as I explained before, we get the first index of 0, the first element is t. So then t, we put the occurrence is 1. H, the occurrence is 1. And then E, the occurrence is 1, and so on and so forth. So some might have more than others depending on how many times they've occurred in the string. So then check if all letters occur at least once. The function returns true if the size of the map is equal to 26, indicating that all 26 letters of the alphabet are present in the sentence. If the size is less than 26, it returns false. This is how the code determines whether the given sentence is a pangram or not. So if you want more coding solutions, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.